Hi all, welcome to Coding World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to set up simple Node.js server on your system. To start simple Node.js server on your system, you have to first install Node in your system. For that, you can Google and download the Node in your system. Go to the Google and search for the install Node on Windows. First you link you will get, and if you click here you will go to the here according to your system you can download the node version. It's for 32, it's for 64-bit for Windows and Mac also. So once you downloaded this, you you need to install that in your system. After installation you will get one folder called Node.js in your program files. Node.js, you have to give this path in your environment variable. So if you search environment variable, you will able to see this Node.js folder in that path location. So I have opened my node environment variable. Here you will able to see in path system variables we have given path for the Node.js. Okay, so you are done with the installation of Node on your Windows system. So let's create our test server. You can check that by doing node hyphen version. Yeah, you have successfully installed node on our system. So start writing server creation code for the node. So for that you need to import HTTP first. So after import of HTTP, let's create server from that HTTP. Create server requires one function which has a two argument, request and response. Now we will write something in our response like hello, welcome to coding world, or you can write in the response here. Now you have created server, but it should be listening on some. So listen our server on port 5252. Yeah, we are done with our coding for our test server. Let's test this test server Node.js file. Come to the node test server.js. Yeah, it's listening on our given port. Let's test that localhost 50 52 52 is working or not. Yeah. our local host. So going on localhost 5252 and checking the result. Yes, we are getting response. That means we have successfully installed Node.js and created the simple server using Node.js. So that's for this link. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel for such types of cool stuff in our coding. Thank you.